President Magufuli's new economic strategy, taxation and manufacturing. President Magufuli, who is nicknamed the bulldozer, has embarked on a path to forge Tanzania into the 21st century and ensure that governance and respect of law are observed. President Magufuli is the democratically elected president of Tanzania, and he has won the admiration of millions of Africans who yearn for leaders to move the continent in a positive direction. President Magufuli has turned the economy in a different direction by favoring manufacturing over tourism and directing the Tanzanian government to direct its resources into manufacturing. While opening the 41st Dar es Salaam International Trade Fair, President Magufuli announced that the Tanzanian public funds should be directed towards industrialization rather than tourism. History shows from the Industrial Revolution in England to the American, Japanese, and German industrialization in the 20th century to the rise of China in the 21st century, that industrialization is the key to economic dominance. There has never in the history of the world been any country that has risen to economic growth through tourism. President Magufuli is also going after mining companies that do not pay taxes in Tanzania. He is canceling their licenses unless they pay their full share of taxes. This has angered the multinational corporations that do not feel an obligation to pay taxes in Tanzania. If done successfully, this taxation will be a game changer and will lead to economic growth in Tanzania, as the taxes can be reinvested to fund infrastructure projects. There are a lot of stakeholders who want to see the African story to continue to be one of helplessness and dependency on the West. President Magufuli and Tanzanians know that they must be prepared to fund their own budgets so that they can fully defend Tanzania and the African heritage. This is why Tanzanians have embraced the new electronic property taxation system to finance their own initiatives. President Magufuli will in history be seen as one of the founding fathers of economic freedom in Tanzania and as the leader who stood his ground to defend his nation and lead his nation into economic freedom. Tanzanians are embracing this new economic empowerment over social issues, and they have embraced that economic empowerment is the Pan-Africanist issue of the 21st century.